To insert a SIM in Google Pixel 10 Pro, first you need to remove the SIM injection tool from the box. If you have it, then grab your phone and find the SIM slot on the top side of your phone. Stick the thin part of your SIM ejection tool in the gap right here and then push on it until your slot is opened. Then finally right here we'll be able to get a SIM slot and put our micro or nano as the nano SIM card into the slot. So it should go something like that. Let's do it from the other side. It should be much easier. Okay, so we have it. Now all we have to do is stick that SIM card slot into our phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.